Hey, what's up guys, Dito here. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing the Canon Vixia HFM30. Now I've already unboxed this and I'm currently using it. But the first time I got it, it wasn't working. So now, I'm just gonna do another unboxing of it. And the last one I didn't even upload because it didn't even work. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Now this is the Canon Vixia HFM30. It's got 1080p recording, HD CMOS, 3.3 megapixels, has two storage options, either internal, which is 8 GB, and SD card. It has dual microphones, has a video light, a flash, a 15 times zoom lens, and what else? Oh yeah, and a touch screen. Alright, so once you open the box, you're greeted with a register now, and then a couple of driver discs, the Pixela application. This is the instruction manual and the photo application. This is just the first disc for this application. Alright, you open the box. First, let's look at the accessories. You get a component out using this little port that's on the camera. Charger. Wait, oh. And this is also a component. You get a remote and a battery. Oh, and then there's another battery for the remote. Now, here's the camera itself. I wish I can show you how it works, but it doesn't want to turn on. If I press the power button, nothing. Here, let me get a power cable. No light. And if I press power on, nothing happens. Alright, let's just look at the features right now. Alright, so it has a mic in port and then AV out. Here's the SD card slot. This is a display button. This is to switch from camera mode to view your videos. You have a mini shoe over here, your photo button, power button, video snap, and then your wide or telephoto. You also have a auto button or a manual, which means you can switch between photo mode and video mode. I like to keep it on manual because video. And then here's the battery, and it sits flush on the camera, unlike the new Vixias. Has a quarter inch screw mount for mounting onto a tripod. And down here has mini HDMI, USB-B, and then the component out. Thanks for watching my unboxing and overview of the Canon Vixia HFM30.